Okay, so I'm going to install this with pet screen mesh. I'm going to install this with pet screen mesh. This is installed with the wooden batten over the top, which I'm not really a fan of. I'm going to put a new metal frame with my pet screen mesh in there, and I'll fasten where this used to be. I'll fasten my new screen in there with small screws, and that'll be a much better alternative. All right, and as for the windows, we're going to change out all 6 of these. There's an existing frame in there. I have to gain access by taking all of these pieces off. These battens I have to take off to gain access, and I'll fill that in with regular screen mesh. Put these back in, recaulk the line so it doesn't look like we were here doing anything, and that'll be that. All right, that settles the porch.